guys, it's Sissi from Just Kitty Photography Studio from Sydney, Australia. Today I wanted to show you my experience with shooting a famous YouTuber. She's one of the most famous storytelling YouTubers on YouTube. She has multi-million followers across all Chinese social media platforms. I had the privilege to shoot her newborn session. What an honor! The baby girl, who was around 1 month, I think she was about 5 weeks. But we managed to complete about 30 unique images, including 4 styles plus family photos. 如果你现在是从小屋的 channel 来看我的，记得要点赞关注。除了小屋，你可以多一个女神吗？可能可以多2个，还有小屋哎！
不要太萌了。
Let's dive straight in。这个大网红的小宝贝 ，baby。
他好胖的，他都快5公斤了。
有些满月的宝宝就是差不多10斤了，不知道能不能包得起来啊？今天他这个衣服我不知道能不能穿得下来，这个衣服还能穿得下来，这个倒是有弹力的。
你老公成你的小助理了？
对，他以前就是真的，对他做了好几年，
真的
做到我们俩老吵架。
我和我老公也是做视频总吵架，天天就因为做视频吵架。
他给你搜集资料，
我们俩意见不统一。我要去换衣服吗？
好，你去换吧，趁他开心的时候赶紧换衣服。哎，对，今天跟小网红来一个合照。趁他开心的时候赶紧换衣服。The first one I planned was using natural light. I bought a new blanket the other day and I loved the pattern, so I lay it on the floor as a background. Bub was awake, so I thought I would shoot some open eyes images, but this was the image I managed to snap. After the feed, I tried to wrap her up to calm her down, but都在控制中。他是不是饿？Finally, she closed her eyes. It's the way it is with older babies, they struggle to sleep. It's a bit of a challenge for newborn photographers when you shoot older babies. This was shoot to put into the digital background Mum requested. The second setup is this Mum and me. I use this quadra dress, it's so beautiful. The baby is being wrapped in a matching fabric. I got the baby to rest on Tina's shoulder and get Tina to hold the baby both hands, get her to open eyes and closing eyes.真真都用假花，怎么让它们看起来更真呢？这样放你们觉得好看吗 ？No， 打乱。The last setup is the beanbag. Mum requested the moon pillow. This is also the reason why I get the bub to dress the white outfit in the first place. I thought that I could just remove the outer layers, then we have the outfit. I don't have to wake up the baby when we change it. My workflow starts from the back pose. Then I flip her over to do some tummy poses. Then I removed the pillow. Bub was still on her tummy, so she wouldn't be too bothered. The last thing is the family photos. Due to some privacy reasons, we're not going to post any photos.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
慢走啊，拜拜。Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so happy shooting any families, although she's very famous. I treat her the same as my other clients. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button and like my video. Give me a thumb up. So my next upcoming video is about a day into my life, including how I run my business, how I shoot, and how I manage my family. That's gonna be interesting. So stay tuned. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye! 们是不是忘了还有这个女神呢？小小屋出生快乐哦！永远都要这样美美的，爱你。